Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.